Damn, you have to unbolt this? Ready? You?
Can we go left or right?
The right, like this way and that way? Or that way and this way?
Yeah.
Which way?
Either way.
Huh?
Can it go my way? Push it towards me?
Go backwards or forward?
Can it go this way or that way?
You can do this. Heavy.
Grab that side. I'm gonna just help you. I'm just gonna move.
Yeah.
Grab one to the side.
Okay, perfect. I'm holding it on my head. You move it. More back to you. And more this way. Back to you.
Oh, that's where you pump your gas?
Yeah.
What are those?
Chilo, okay.
What are those? I have to show them. What are those? What are those? What are those?
It's cut.
This? Y'all cut it?
Yeah.
No mames. No valen verga. Pinches mexicanadas.
Yeah, straight up.
The goal is to align this line right here. All the way, but for it not to touch. All the way down in. So right now it's good. Ugh. Hold on.
Back here, we were having issues because we don't know why this isn't even. It looks kind of weird. But we're going to leave it like that. As long as it doesn't touch this, we're good. And then look at this fucking cracked fucking chassis. Nos quieren matar a la verga. But anyways, nah, we're going to fix it and weld it. Well, not us. Our what? Our Jaime. And yeah. No te preocupes, güey. And why? ¿Aquí no van dos tornillos? ¿No tienes que poner dos tornillos en el chasis? It's because it's rusted. Like, I'll show you in the video. I need to pick up my hair because... What do you need? Longer? And it has to be red? I found a red one anyways. Oh, fuck. I'm gonna need to really show. Ahora sí. Well, he's marking up the freaking where he's gonna drill the holes on the fuel tank. What the fuck? I'm gonna show you the fittings. So we got all these fucking random fittings from Summit. More of these than anything. We don't even know which ones we need. This, you see two. Then two of these I think we got. Here's another one of that same one. Here's another one of that same one. Oh, this one's different, I think. We don't even know which ones we're gonna need. I just bought whatever I thought. And then the manguera, of course. This is supposed to be 20 feet. It don't look like 20 feet to me, but maybe it is. Does this look like 20 feet to you? Maybe it is, right? I'm fucking tripping. So our idea is to do the whole EFI system, like the fuel pump, replace the fucking fuel lines, the fittings, and everything. But today, I think we're just gonna mock up the tank.
Okay, let's go down.
And put everything. So there's the holes there, and there. God damn, those are super close. Closer than these. Because these are like right in the middle, right?
I mean...
That's because the way it's built, right? The chassis or no?
Yeah.
Nah, you can't really do much. Because if it's right inside that area. That's all we're doing today because it's fucking 11 p.m. And then we're just gonna come back tomorrow tomorrow's gonna be like the big day when we actually do everything, because we have the holes marked in, so we're gonna make the holes. We can't prop it up yet. Put the fuel pump inside the fucking tank, connect everything, redo the lines, basically everything. Okay, we're doing everything tomorrow. Today we just mocked it up and called it a day because we have to wake up at 9. Okay, bye.
Yeah, my boy, you okay, my boy? It's gonna take forever. So the lines are all running through here, through the side. A la madre. Is that 2 fuel pumps or is that a filter?
That's a fuel pump and a filter. Fuel pump.
Then the fuel pump, then the filter, right?
Yeah.
A la madre. The fuel pump, then the fuel filter, and then obviously the lines go all the way over there. And we're gonna replace the entire thing.
Oh yeah, to the front.
Our goods are inside.
Oh yeah, what would this be?
Our mallet.
Well, what's the tank? The stomach? When I was looking at it, it did.
Sorry. You see?
Oh.
You see how much it needs to go?
Hey, I have an idea. Let me see that girl thinking. Oh no. You came bent? No, stupid. Okay, let me look for one.
I'm using it a little bit longer.
You think in the bolt buckets?
Maybe.
Oh Lord. I hate these buckets. Oh, what big part would have that part? If this shit has anything like that, because we don't give a fuck about this hole no more. At least not really.
Nope.
Sheesh. Basically, he just shaved it here. So this could go in more because this was the only freaking problem. And now it's all in there.
These fucking screws are not locked.
They're what?
They're not locked.
Oh, for the space. So now we need to find some screws like that. What are they?
Oh, this whole time it was already out. Where's the 15?
You had them.
I'm talking about the dado.
I said I don't have it.
None of these fittings fit for what we need it. Basically, we need one for here, obviously, and for the return and for the sending. So we stuck here for now. See a naked truck now.
You get a little easier.
You're committing to the. You're committed to the house?
Yeah. Can you bring the burro?
Yes. I'm gonna have to cut those right.
Yeah, the zip tie.
I'll do it with the
Get the little ones.
That.
No. Get the little ones because those can pierce the wiring. Papa like brothers.
Do these cut?
Yeah. Use a knife.
Okay. Trust me. Oh no, it's leaking.
Okay.
Okay.
Go to the rental.
Oof, they don't smell like that. We call this Thor and we call this. What do you call it?
Chip.
Why?
It's chip.
Oh, that's what we call it. Is that correct?
Wow, who are they? Who are they? Wow, twice in a row? You repped them or what? You're betraying our business? Wow, betrayal at its finest. Yeah, and you have to go more. You have to make sure that the braid doesn't touch the thingy. Like, that none of the braid goes in it because that's what's gonna protect it from.
Yeah. Friendly smart.
No, I'm smarter than you.
Okay, tighten it up.
Okay. Here we go.
Right, a little more.
¿No puedes, amigo? Oh, you see, that's why my idea was better.
No.
You know what you're doing?
Yes. Yes, I do.
Because you're just that clever.
Yes, I am. In some sense.
It's because it's still not there yet at the threading.
I don't know.
Right?
Yeah. Okay.
No? No.
Hmm.
Wow. It's because what are you doing?
Measuring it.
Para que quede exacto.
Yeah, one shot.
You know where?
Yeah.
You have tape?
Huh?
Do you have tape? How did you cut it the other day? Yeah, with the Dremel and you put tape, right?
No.
You were supposed to tape it before you cut it.
Okay. Can I have tape?